Hey YouTube, I'm here to make a cover. The song is called Don't Forget by Demi Lovato. Hope you enjoyed my cover, and if you don't, that's cool too, but here I go. Did you forget that I was innocent sometimes? Did you forget everything we ever had? Did you forget? Did you forget about me? Did you regret ever standing by my side? Did you forget when the feeling inside no one left? Did you forget how us? But somewhere we went wrong. We were once so strong. Our love is like a song. You can't forget it. So now I guess this is where we have to stay. Did you regret ever holding my hand ever again? Don't forget, don't forget. We had it all. We were just about to fall, even more in love than we were before. Don't forget, I won't forget about us. But somewhere we went wrong. We were once so strong. Our love is like a song. You can't forget it. From where we went wrong, we were once so strong. Our love is like a song. You can't forget it at all. And we'll last. All the pictures have been done, all the past. It's just a lesson that we've learned. Don't forget. Don't forget. Somewhere we went wrong. Our love is like a song. But you won't feel alone. You've forgotten about us. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, rate, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want. And have a good day. Bye-bye, guys.